Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Chocolate Factory. First, let's get everything ready for a sweet game. Place the main game board in the center, then each player takes their own factory board. You'll also receive 5 starting chocolate pieces and 3 coal tokens to begin. Don't forget to shuffle the order cards and deal 3 to each player, keeping them hidden for now. Finally, set up the conveyor belt tiles and upgrade cards in their designated areas, ready for action. Now let's dive into the heart of the game, the production phase. Each round, all players secretly choose one conveyor belt tile from their hand. Once revealed, you'll add this tile to your personal factory board, expanding your unique production line. Then, you'll move your chocolate pieces along this belt, processing them through various machines. Remember, you can spend your valuable coal tokens to activate machines for powerful special effects, or to produce even more delicious chocolate. After your production line runs, it's time to fulfill those customer orders. Check your secret order cards to see if you've produced the required chocolates. Successfully fulfilled orders are discarded, earning you valuable victory points and allowing you to draw new orders. This is also your chance to spend your chocolate pieces on exciting factory upgrades. These upgrades are crucial, as they significantly enhance your production capabilities and offer continuous benefits throughout the game, making your factory even more efficient. So, how do you win this sweet competition? The game typically concludes after a set number of rounds, usually 6. At the end of the final round, all players reveal any remaining secret order cards and score points for those they've successfully fulfilled. Then, you'll tally up all your victory points from both fulfilled orders and any powerful factory upgrades you've purchased. The player who has accumulated the highest total number of victory points will be crowned the ultimate chocolate factory master.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.